Hi, my name is Zoltan. I'm from Woodmead Sound Security, and this is an extreme version of a 2012 Toyota Hilux. The client approached us to build the most extreme Toyota Hilux in South Africa. We started from the front, going all the way to the back. We installed full off-road bumper kit on a vehicle, full Fox racing suspension onto the vehicle as well. The engine was mapped and tuned, and big wheels and tires were fitted onto the vehicle as well, along with a big off-road canopy. When it came to the sound system, we decided to go all out. We cut the car all the way into the load bed. We put two 16-inch subwoofers into a big enclosure. We put two 8-inch Rockford Pro audio drivers into each door, backed up with Rockford Pro audio tweeters. We added 4 amplifiers into the vehicle. We added in a Rockford 360 processor, a total of 4 excess power batteries, and a massive 320 amp alternator. We also did a full custom build in a vehicle with a trick RGB lighting that allows us to change the color to anything that we want, as long as set flashing modes and all sorts of modes for partying when the vehicle is in full tilt. The end result is totally mind-blowing. The car is extremely powerful, and yet with the 360 processor we can set this car up to play sound quality as well as massive output at the same time. The customer came to us to feed his soul with everything that he wanted on a vehicle, and I think we certainly achieved that. When it comes to a fully customized vehicle, it's not always about low suspensions and fancy paint jobs. This is a fully functioning farm vehicle. It's in daily use, and it can certainly live up to that punishment. Welcome to the Rockford Army.